Love it! Hey gorgeous! Welcome back to my channel. This is Xandra, and if you're new here to my YouTube channel, please subscribe and click the notification bell down below for more updates. This is another video, another vlog for another cosmetic brand. I'll be introducing to you a new cosmetics that was newly launched here in the Philippines. And we'll see if it is worth it, if it is safe, and if it is affordable, and if it is a good quality to try on. I'm introducing to you the Lemooc Cosmetics. I have this oil-free setting powder, and then I have their Max Volume Mascara, and Lemooc sent me 3 of the shades of their liquid lipsticks. Lemooc Cosmetics Lemooc Beauty is now available on Shopee, so I will put the link below on my description box. So by the way guys, this is an international brand from China. At first, I thought it was from Korea, but then nung nakita ko yung sa packaging niya, nakalagay it was made in China. Well, we'll see if maganda nga ba itong Lemooc Cosmetics or Lemooc Beauty, and if it's worth it to try, if it is good quality, and as you can see guys, I will put the prices below on my description box. They were all affordable, so medyo tricky sa part na yon kung yung pagka-affordable ba na yun ay yung mabibigay ba sa atin ay good quality. I'll be honest with my thoughts here on my YouTube channel, on my YouTube vlog. Kasi, guys, I'm not paid here, but they sent it to me para matry ko to. So, I'll be honest. If you wanna try these Lemooc Beauty, Lemooc Cosmetics, then, without further ado, keep on watching and let's get started. First thing that I will introduce to you is their Max Volume Lemooc Mascara. I like the way that Lemooc Cosmetics or Lemooc has provided all the details that you need to know about their products. And good thing guys, it was cruelty-free. So, cruelty-free itong Lemooc. And then, yan, nakalagay naman yung kanyang manufacturing date and expiration date here sa kanyang packaging. Everything was on here. So, itong mascara pala nila. So, when you open it, ito siya. Ito yung kanilang mascara. Ang cute na naging design nila dito kasi parang naka-emboss siya. And then, ayun, nakalagay dito yung Super Curl Mascara. I'm not so surprised about the wand of these mascara kasi knowing na I think it's 99 pesos or 100. Ang laki ng wand niya, as you can see guys. Ayan. Sabi dito, it's Super Curl Mascara. Actually guys, na-try ko na tong Super Curl Mascara kanina. Ay naglagay na ako. Nalagyan lang ng konti na eyeshadow niya. Kasi nag-shoot ako kanina ng mga products, ng mga PRs ko. Nung tinry ko siya, in fairness, talagang hindi siya yung tipong mascara na bumababa agad. Like, yung, di ba yung mga affordable na mascara, pagka tinry mo agad sila, parang, pagkalagay mo pa lang, bumababa na agad yung eyelashes mo. Hindi ko siya mabigyan ng justice dahil natakpan siya nung eyeshadow ko dahil nga, sabi ko, ita-try ko. Now, matagal siyang mag-set bago siya matuyo, but I like it dahil na-exceed niya yung expectation ko na sabi ko bababa agad siya kapag nilagay ko. Hindi siya yung tipo ng mascara na kahit affordable siya, bababa agad siya. I think it's long-lasting. Kasi kanina ko pa siya nilagay sa eyelashes ko. 4 PM ko pa siya nilagay, and I'm shooting right now at 11 PM. Kailangan mo mag-ingat kapag ka maglalagay ka ng mascara sa lower lashes mo kasi guys, messy pa naman ako maglagay ng mascara. So that's why I really don't like its big wand. It has a messy application because of its big wand. It gives justice naman na it's really volumizing, as you can see. It's really lengthening. By the way, the scent is like a typical mascara. Hindi ko ma-explain, pero ito yung mga dati kong nabibiling mascara before when I was in high school yata yun, or college. You can make this as a replacement for Hyper Curl Mascara if gusto nyo magtipid. Parang siyang dupe ng Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara, but it has a bigger wand than the Hyper Curl Mascara. This is the setting powder. Ayan, slim lang yung kanyang container. Yung kanyang packaging. And then, when you open it, ayan. This is the powder applicator. Ito yung powder puff. Just like a typical setting powder na packaging. I got the shade 01 Natural kasi syempre mahirap na kapag nagpunta tayo sa ibang shade. Natural lang yung ating shade, guys. Wala naman ako masyadong ina-expect dito sa setting powder. Very powdery siya, very matte. Super fine. The powder was super fine. Ayan. Hindi siya yung magaspang na powder. So, I have here my brush. And now, I'm gonna try these Lemooc setting powder. And by the way, guys, same thing lang din naman yung packaging ng mascara nila dito sa kanilang oil-free setting powder dahil all the details that you need to know about these Lemooc Beauty or all here on their packaging ng kanilang box. And it's good for setting your oily face, especially for me na super oily ng skin, kaka-set lang, tapos oily agad yung face. So, that's one of my struggles. Hindi ko natatry itong powder puff nila, but I really like it. It's so soft. So, I'm gonna put it here to set my oily face. Ayan, guys. It doesn't have scent at all, too. In fairness. Fairness, nag-set agad siya. Nakakamat talaga siya. The powder is so fine and it's really mattifying. It really controls the oil. But we'll see hanggang mamaya kung hanggang saan kakayanin itong setting powder na to dito sa aking oily face. Balikan natin itong setting powder later for my review. Overall, I like the packaging of this setting powder. I like that the powder is super fine. Yung sabi sa description, it's micro fine powder. Try ko muna yung mga liquid lipsticks nila para matry natin yung longevity nitong setting powder sa mukha ko. Let's move on to their liquid matte lipsticks of Lemooc. And I have here 3 shades. So, actually, ito yung mga shades na pinili ko. They have, I think, 12 colors or 10 colors. Flash ko na nandito yung iba pang shades ng Lemooc Beauty na kanilang liquid lipsticks. So, I have here the shade 104, 107, and 112. These are the packaging boxes of these Lemooc lipsticks. Like, Lemooc liquid lipsticks. Ayan. Nakalagay naman sa baba yung kanilang mga shades. Ayan. And then, yan. Everything that you need to know about this one. So, by the way, these are the Hyper Stay Matte Liquid Lipstick. So, now I'm gonna try their Hyper Stay Liquid Matte Lipsticks. And this is the shade 104. This is my favorite among the 3 nung chine-check ko pa lang yung mga shades nila. But we'll see. Oh. I love it. The scent is really unique. Hindi ko siya ma-explain pero hindi siya yung typical na bubblegum na scent ng mga liquid lipstick. It's kind of fruity pero hindi siya fruit eh. There's nothing special with the applicator. It sets easily. Nagmamat agad siya. The applicator doesn't get all the product that I need. So, kailangan ilang pump pa yung gagawin ko para makuha yung product, para ma-apply ko siya. It's just like it's not one swipe for full application siya. I really like the scent though. It's not the typical scent of every liquid lipsticks, every matte liquid lipsticks. I really love this shade. Sabi na, ito talaga yung magugustuhan ko na shade. And by the way, guys, it's true to its color dun sa picture na meron sa Shopee. Dun sa kanilang shade guide na meron doon. Unlike the other brands na pag nakita mo, medyo nag-alangan nga ako doon kasi nga, I've seen other brands na kapag kayo mga shade nila, nasa shade guides nila, ay hindi kagaya sa personal. I really love this shade. Nakaka-fresh. Lakas maka-fresh. Gusto ko talaga yung mga ganitong shade. Mga nude na peachy coral tone. Ganyan. Madalas ko na itong magagamit. Itong 104. By the way, guys, ayan, nag-set na talaga siya. It's really matte. We'll see if it is transfer proof, ha? Oh my god. Guys, nag-transfer siya. So far, I'm loving the formula. Parang hindi man siya nakaka-dry. Hindi siya mahirap tanggalin, guys, ha? Okay, so let's move on to 107 na shade. I think it will be similar on my dress. But yeah, let's see. It looks similar on the shade of my dress, the color of my dress. It's a terracotta shade, and I also love this shade. Now, let's proceed to 112 na shade. It's a pinky one. So, ayan, I also love this shade. It's a Barbie pink shade. Itong 112, and I'll be using this kapag gusto ko mga girly, mga parang Barbie look, diba? I also love this one. Lakas niya maka-fresh. I love it. By the way, guys, I forgot to tell that the prices of these Hyperstay Liquid Matte Lipstick from Lemooc it costs only for 85 pesos each. Guys, grabe, super affordable. 85 pesos isa nito. Tapos, ang ganda ng quality, ang ganda ng formula. Maganda na siya for 85 pesos. Ang cute naman ng packaging niya eh. Yun lang yung doe foot applicator niya. Medyo, ayun, super common yung doe foot applicator. True to its color, and to its shades, and to what it claims na it's non-drying, and it's really matte. Ayan, ang bilis niya mag-set sa lips ko. Although, naglagay na ako ng konting moisturizer or petroleum jelly before I put the product. And I love the shades. The shade range are very good. The shade range are suitable for every skin tone. And itong mga shades na napili ko, it really suits my morena skin tone. And ayan. Of course, my favorite shades among these three na napili ko ay itong 104. Then, let's move forward ulit sa final thoughts ko about these setting powder ng Lemooc. As you can see kanina, di ba super matte? And then, ayan, nakikita nyo meron ng mga shine. Ayan, naglalabasan na yung aking oil sa aking face. So, I guess, it's not really parang long-lasting yung pagka-setting powder niya. And super oily kasi talaga ako. That's why, ayan, kailangan may every hour or every minute nagsaset ako ng powder. I can also keep this one kasi talaga namang super fine ng powder niya and nakakamattify naman siya agad pag nilagay mo. But yun nga lang, dahil super oily ko, ayan, ito na agad. Nakita nyo na agad yung test. Nitong setting powder sa face ko. Actually, parang ilang minutes pa lang after ko nilagay ito. Nag-swatch lang naman ako nitong mga lipsticks nila. But, as you can see, ayan, nagsaset na agad yung oil sa face ko. But, I really love the formula. I love that it's super fine. I love that it doesn't have scent. I love the packaging. And I love the shade na it matches my skin tone, that it's natural, it's true to its shades, just like the liquid lipsticks that they have, true to its color, true to its shades, na nasa picture dun sa Shopee nila. Itong mascara, I can suggest that you can make it as a replacement sa Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara dahil para siyang dupe nito dahil talaga nakaka-curl siya agad, hindi siya yung mascara na bumababa agad. That's what I've said earlier. Those are the things that I wanted to point out with these Super Curl Mascara ng Lemooc. I love the formula of this Super Curl Mascara ng Lemooc Beauty, but I don't want the one. I just want to suggest to Lemooc Beauty that they should opt to have a smaller wand of this mascara, but the formula is really good. But if I'll be going to compare with the quality of their liquid lipstick and with this mascara, I would opt to choose this mascara because of its formula. It exceeds my expectations for the mascara, and it only cost for 99 pesos. Overall, I can say that they're good quality. They're worth the price. They're very affordable and worth it to try as well. That's it for my final thoughts about these Lemooc Beauty cosmetics, and I can say that overall I love them. You can give it a try as well dahil super affordable niya, and ayun, worth it naman siya sa price niya for its good quality, especially their Max Volume Mascara. That's it, guys. If you also want to try these Lemooc Beauty cosmetics, I will put the links on my description box below, their Instagram account, and also especially their Shopee account for you to check out their products if you want to try them. Thank you so much for staying and for watching this whole video if you're still watching this up to now. And don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell down below for more updates. So once again, this is Xandra. Have a nice day, stay safe, and God bless you. Bye! Lemooc. I don't know. Lemooc Beauty is now available